Hello everyone, I'm in Xinjiang. You also can call me Becca. I'm from China. Today I will do my presentation of my research. The topic of my research is on the transformation of enterprise marketing model in the new media area. By the way, the scope of the topic just focused in Chinese market because I know the Chinese movie market better and the film markets in different countries are totally different, so I'm only focusing the research on the Chinese market. My presentation has 4 parts. In the beginning, I will talk about research question, and second is literature review. I have listed the main series I used. And third part is methodology, which is research master, and last part is timeline of my research. To begin with, I would like to introduce my purpose and background of this research with the improvement of people's living standard and the transformation of lifestyles. Many social network and mobile applications have begun to replace the traditional media, such as radio and television, newspaper and magazine, occupying a large amount of people's free time. And there are few papers related to this part. Many papers are talking about the use of new media in technology, but few people mention it in marketing. Therefore, this research attempted to explain the current situation of enterprise marketing in the context of new media, and I will focus it from the movie industry. There are 2 questions that I will research in this study. The first is, what is the communication environment in the context of new media? Interactivity is the most significant feature of new media. The emergence and rapid development of new media based on the internet, smartphones, and computers have eliminated the boundary between the spreader and recipient. To a certain extent, the new media guarantees the true return of the right to discourse on the technical level. In the past information dissemination purpose, traditional media has always occupied an active position. The audience can only accept the information disseminated by the traditional media, and there are no another choice for them. This kind of dissemination is one way, but now in the new media environment, information dissemination can be not only one way but also 2-way or multidirectionally. The recipient of information can also become the spreader of information. So this kind of dissemination present a strong interactive. And the second question is, what kind of marketing response should the Chinese film industry adopt under a new media environment? New media has enlarged the marketing channel for the film industry. Movie marketing in the new media environment can make full use of universality of network coverage and convenience of mobile terminals for all-round dissemination. According to the annual data insights of China's film market in 2018 published by QUT Research Institute, the highest proportion of channel for movie views to about film information through social media before watching movies is Weibo, which is 49.1%, followed by WeChat, which is 38.2%. However, the annual data insights of China's film market in 2019 shows the Shuangwei is still the main battlefield of publicity and marketing, and the short video channel has become a new precision of publicity and distribution. The dramatic change brought about by new media has become an important element for the film industry. Second part, literature review. You can see I use 2 main series here. The first is Media Convergence is based on cross-media narrative, which is first proposed by Jenkins in 2008. At present, many Chinese films works are entertainment activity in the area of media convergence. For example, Chinese movie Teeny Tiny and the Wandering Earth are regional novels and they made into films so as to face a wide audience. Jenkins thinks that course media readings enhance the depth of experience, thereby driving more consumption. And second main research series of my research is course cultural communication, because if Chinese films are to be promoted worldwide, they will be impacted by culture. This impact comes from the cultural difference in different regions, different cultures, which determines how overseas audience see Chinese movie. The origin of cross-cultural communication research can be traced back to the concept of stranger put forward by German sociologist Simon. And third part, methodology. The research method, I adopted the mixed method. Firstly, I will take the Huai brothers and as the main research object and to analyze its marketing case in the new media film to understand the current marketing situation of the brand. By the way, the Huai Brothers is a quite huge movie produce company in China. You and use this way to see the entire movie industry's brand marketing in the new media environment. And second, I designed and distributed a questionnaire to many people and discussed the survives of the film companies and brands in the current new media environment. About the Huai case, Huai Brothers have done a lot of successful movie marketing case. Here I take the X-File, the Return of the X, this movie as an example. The producer plucked the word X from this movie, setting off an Weibo trend of the memories to love and memories of exercise. Try to strike a course with the audience and hit a sore point, and of course it did. In addition, the X also used short video marketing. During the release of this movie, there were many short movies on TikTok, Quick, and other apps. For example, I already see some movie to say that I went to the movie with my girlfriend, but my ex was in the backseat. Or after watching this movie, I get back to talk with my ex and we back together. Like this short movie are very popular. The impact of this popular video is huge, and they have managed to arouse the audience curiosity about what is the magic of this movie and to find out what it is and to buy the ticket to see it. About the questionnaire, I designed the investigate questionnaire, hoping to conduct an in-depth discussion and analysis of Huai's brothers' characteristic marketing strangers in the new media area. Because I used to do some propaganda work for movies, so I also knew some people in the movie industry. I also sent the questionnaire to them, asked them to answer it as insider and to get some professional opinions. I selected the survived samples from the designer's target participants. And the last part is timeline of my research. Here's how I plan to do my research. On the 24th of April, during the first class, I learned that we had this assignment and I have been working on my research topic since then. On the 1st of May, I decided on my topic, a decision that was not so easy for me because the research topic is the root of the whole research. And on the 3rd of May, I set my research questions and I worked on my literature review from 5th of May to the 13th of May. There are so many series about the new media and communication that it was not easy task to choose the right one for my research. Between May 12th and May 16th, I designed the whole study having mixed master, where I researched the public program of Hawaii and designed the distribution my questionnaire to many people. And I expect to have the result of the questionnaires I reserved tier up and the data analyzed by 21st of May. This will be combined with the Hawaii marketing case to conclude on the 31st of May. That's my reference of this presentation. I'm still awaiting the result of my questionnaire and hope to collect as large a sample as possible. So that's my whole presentation. Thank you for watching.